Embody the path of least resistance. This doesn't mean be lazy. It means work in the direction you're called to work rather than the direction that you feel you have to work. I was first introduced to this concept by a student over 10 years ago. He said, if it flows, it goes. At that point in my life, I had been so conditioned to working in the direction my mind told me to work in, toward goals my mind told me I should have. This notion of there being a more natural, effortless way of being where you're supported by the surrounding forces was totally foreign to me and has taken me over a decade to embody to the degree that I suppose I have today, but it's still not perfect. The practice of waking up to this more natural way of being where you're supported by the surrounding forces begins with waking up and practicing your natural tastes and talents. If you don't believe that you have time to cultivate more of that you were born to be, we'll start with shifting those beliefs. Every time we say something like, I don't have time or I can't because, and we practice those self-limiting beliefs, we keep ourselves trapped in that paradigm. In order to shift that paradigm, we can start by shifting our language. And it doesn't mean that it happens necessarily right away. Maybe it will. Maybe the doors and possibility and ease will fling right open for you tomorrow. Maybe it'll take a year. Maybe it'll take 5. But opening up to a more blissful, natural way of being helps liberate you, free your soul, and you can model that way of being for all of your loved ones. We're going to start really simple today with noticing, using our rubber band, each time we use the words want, need, or have to. And we're going to start each time we say something that puts our happiness outside of this present moment. We're going to start to take that rubber band off and reframe what we said or change what we said and then put it back on the other wrist. Okay, so I have to go to the market. I'm going to the market. That's simple. Starting with those little micro adjustments helps change our energy. And the more we accept the life that we have as part of our natural flow, you've gotten here for a reason. And the more we wake up to the notion that what we learned, those skills that helped us get to this point today, we might be ready to let go of so we can achieve another level of enlightenment tomorrow. And so the practice is embracing what is as part of the natural flow and shifting the way we engage with it by shifting our language and opening ourselves up to a greater level of ease and naturalness. And along the way, I encourage you right now to write down what your talents are, what your tastes are, and in your language also practice using terms and speaking about it as though you're doing more of that in your life and you're servicing your innate life's purpose. My spirit greatly honors your spirit. Namaste.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow.
My spirit greatly honors your spirit. Namaste.